Your raw energy entices them. They feel a magnetic pull to you. This individual feels as though you have a royal and regal energy. And because of this, they feel like they have to come different. They can't act in the same way that they may have done so before in other connections. And they have a lot of respect for you. So for some of you, you may find that this person stands at a distance from you, but they stare intently at you. It's not that they don't find you attractive. It's because they view you in such a high light, like royalty. And in a way, you intimidate this individual. They have never held back in the way that they have done so before in regards to you. And they don't mean to make you doubt them, but at the same time, it's like you're a different type of energy than they are used to. So they are acting with caution. They feel an intense desire to connect with you on a physical level, no doubt, 100%. But they know that with an energy like yours, you are not your average. You have to be more refined, and they feel as if you're very sophisticated. And in a sense, this individual feels like they have to tweak their personality. Not that you're telling them to, but they feel like they have to come so much different than they have ever done so before. But they are in awe of you because you carry a energy of mystery. They don't know what they're going to find with you. They don't know what you're going to do next. They don't know what you're going to say next. And they feel like, you know, because of you, they have closed out cycles. You know, maybe this person was needing to heal. They were needing to move away from an old way of being and towards a new way of being. And in the past, they were at a crossroads because they felt like to go towards you would mean that they would make or would have to make a huge change in their life. But they're willing to do it, you know, and they're finding your presence in their life very healing. They find you to be like a god or a goddess. They find you to be so beautiful. They can't even believe that they've connected with someone like you. But they're starting to feel that because they are connecting with someone like you, they too must have great qualities because you wouldn't connect with them otherwise. And they're right. Whatever qualities they see within you, they possess those qualities too. And this person is going through a very intense healing stage right now. And it is uncomfortable, but they are purging the old. They are purging coming out of a time whereby they held back on their emotions. You know, maybe in the past they were in connections with people, but they did intentionally hold back on how they felt. And maybe they done this to you. And they're learning that if they continue to be in this energy, they will really risk the loss of you. You know, it doesn't pay to be in this energy, but because of the healing work that they're doing, and it is uncomfortable, you know, it's not a natural thing for this person to be a very self-expressive person, right? But this could be something that they've learned from childhood. So there's a lot of unpacking to do. Maybe they grew up in a household where emotions weren't shared, so it's become second nature to this individual. But with you, they feel like they can open up and be authentic because you give them that space to. Maybe because you embrace your authenticity, it allows this individual to do the same. And instead of waiting to make a move, this person is willing to make that move, but they are quite cautious. You know, they do see in the long term that they want to settle down and have a commitment, but they don't want to come to you emotionally because they're trying to work through their emotions as well and how to bring forth their emotions when they are not ready. But at the same time, they are letting down their guard. You know, they are connecting more to their heart space and they are getting over some type of betrayal. This betrayal could have been due to an old connection. This could have been a ex-romantic partner. This could have been tied to their career, right? They could have made a wrong business deal, and this brought up a lot of trust issues for this individual. But because of this actual situation, it's made this person look at you with high esteem. Like, they really respect you. They really value your presence in their life. And I feel like it's because you represent change, and with you, they see you as the truth. They were so used to being surrounded by fake individuals, backstabbers, people that snake them. And when you're around that type of energy, it can become quite scary, because you can start to think to yourself, okay, is there anyone that I can trust? How come I wasn't able to suss out that that person was an hidden enemy? But with you, they feel safe with you. They feel safe with you, you know. They are overcoming, or they have healed through some type of heartbreak or some type of betrayal. And I'm hearing that they thank you for not being like the rest, because they were in a very unbalanced state. And maybe they were surrounded by individuals that kept them unbalanced, kept them stuck. But now that they are clearing out this energy, because part of their healing is about clearing out the old energy as well, these blockages are now being removed from your connection, because this person's doing the healing work, because this person is clearing out who and what no longer serves them. Thought patterns also. This person may have been in a very cold and rigid energy towards you, to most people. And they're realizing that that energy doesn't really pay. It doesn't really get you what you want, because whilst they were in this energy, they weren't being true to themselves. They'll be in a very self-protective energy. And for some of you, to the wrong people, which is yourself. And they just felt like they have to be in this type of way, even though it was hard for them behind the scenes to continue this type of facade, because they were blocking their own blessings. They were holding back on love. They were holding back on their emotions. They were being stubborn, and they felt like it was the safest way to be. But the only reason why they were in this energy was because they were scared. They were scared of getting hurt. But now this person is feeling more stable. They're feeling more confident, and they want to make a move towards you. You know, this person does have secret, deep feelings for you, and they feel like it's telepathic. They feel as if, you know, they were treating the situation with you like it was a transactional type of situation. You know, maybe they were used to being in those types of dynamics in the past, but they realize with you, you come with a different type of energy, which confuses this individual. And they are realizing that the options that they may have gone towards, trigger warning, or the people that surrounded them were just there to confuse them. They didn't really help with their growth. They were actually keeping them stuck and stagnated. Maybe they were fueling this person's need for codependency. And this person is breaking free from that. They're also this person's starting to realize that they were surrounded by snakes. And it's come as a shock. They're realizing that they were manipulated, or they will start to realize that they were manipulated by individuals, friends, ex-partners, some family members. And that's why they are doing the healing now. It's only during this healing stage that this person is realizing the truth. And because your energy is so regal, because your energy is so otherworldly in a sense, they are, and it's not good to compare, but you are the embodiment of the truth. You are independent. You are self-sufficient. You do not force this person to do what they don't want to do. They're not used to this type of energy. There's no conditions with you. You know, not to say that you have no boundaries, but You met this person where they were at because you knew that you had healing to do yourself, right? And you are accepting of this person. You are respectful of this person. You see to the heart of this individual. You have your own life outside of this actual connection. You are very inspiring to this person. And you have so much self-respect and self-love that this person is in awe of you. And they feel as if you are a god or a goddess. They feel like they have to clean up a lot behind the scenes. And that's in regards to cleaning up a cycle, a cycle of toxicity that didn't serve them. Because when they look at you, when they think of you, they think of all the possibilities. This person's going through a huge transformation, guys, because we got the world card twice. The world card talks about a cycle ending. And this person wants a cycle to end from their old life. That part of them is gone. They want to create a new cycle with you. They wish that they left those people behind much sooner. They're thinking about all the opportunities and possibilities that you can have together. They're thinking about going on holiday with you. Some of you, this could be a long distance connection. For some of you, this could be a connection whereby you are from different cultural backgrounds. They want to learn about your background. They want to go out to different restaurants. They want to do scuba diving, abseiling, cinema, restaurants, theatre, sports shows. They want to do it all with you. They want to have fun with you. They're only seeing that now. They're seeing the possibilities. For some of you, they want to create a business with you. They want to travel the world with you. And they realize the only way they can experience this is if they walk away from the old. Because the old was preventing them from maturing, from embracing what could be. So this person could be breaking free from some type of traditional thought patterns that was forced upon them. There's going to be harsh endings in this person's life, and harsh endings in regards to not feeling as if they could open up emotionally. You're giving them the strength to open up emotionally. Hence why we've got the King of Cups twice, but the King of Cups is in the reverse, meaning that this King of Cups is ready to open up and express. They felt lonely in those connections, but they were in an energy of making do, unfortunately. But they're cutting out the noise and cutting out people who they align to that they're not aligned to anymore. And they want to boss up for you. They want a King of Pentacles and Emperor you, because you're deserving of